Hey everybody, Cowboy here. Today we're going to take a quick look at what we covered during our free to the public daily live lab. And we do that every day, Monday through Friday, except for federal holidays. We do that 8:30 AM EST to 9 AM EST, free to the public on YouTube. Come join us, ask questions. We can talk to you on there. Also, look at the bottom of the screen there. You can see our website and the QR code. Zap that to bring you over to our website, find out what we do, and a little more information on that at the end of the video. Today we have a quick excerpt from that live lab that involves economic data, CPI, PPI. These are inflation numbers, and we can use one to predict the other. If we go ahead and do some study and look back far enough, we can determine the chances of possibly being able to take advantage of that data in trading. So stick around after the video, and we will see you then. On Thursday morning, there will probably be about an hour before market opens some volatility that is being added to the market, and then an hour after that, the market opens, more volatility. So Thursday would be an exciting day to trade. Friday, there's also PPI, which is the producer price index. So this is on the production end of CPI, and what I'm seeing, at least in recent months, and I haven't gone back to test this, and I really probably should, but PPI tends to follow CPI. Meaning that, I don't mean to follow it on the calendar, it clearly does, but what I mean is it tends to go in the same direction as CPI. So if you think about it logically, CPI is the consumer price index. So this is a measure of inflation. This is bread and milk. Actually, I think is food excluded. Let me see here. We're going to see what the definition, change in the price of goods and services purchased by customers. So I believe that includes food and everything else. So there is a core CPI that comes out the same day that excludes, let's see here, food and energy, right? So that's the core CPI. But either way, let's just say CPI is going to measure everything, the cost of rents, the cost of food, how much bread and milk cost month over month, right? So how much compared to last month. And then there's the year over year figure too. So they actually compare this year versus last year. And then the core CPI just takes food and fuel out. Are the numbers real? Are they fudged? Well, it doesn't really matter because the market's going to react to whatever the numbers say. Okay, so we're not going to get philosophical here and talk about, oh, well, they numbers are fake. And well, of course, we all know that they're fudged, but that's not material to the conversation, right? What's material to the conversation is that the market is going to react to these numbers. And that is what matters. And the CPI tends to have a little staying power. So if the CPI reacts in whatever direction the larger trend is, then price will continue to go to that trend, usually, not always. But it would be very strange for anything different to happen. So we got a few more. So we are live every weekday, 8:30 AM EST, giving out free content. Come check us out on YouTube. Come talk to us. Go over to the website. That's www.algofactory.tech. Again, www.algofactory.tech. And for a limited time promotional offer, we are giving out memberships at $49.99 a month. There's a ton that we're offering over there. Come see what that's about. Also, you can see our Twitter link. All the links are up on YouTube. Come talk to us on social media. See us on the live YouTube videos. We hope to see you soon.